Hello, I'm Sophie. How can I help you?
Hello, my name is John Banks. I would like to have Adobe Reader installed on my computer.
I see you have two devices, a smartphone and a laptop. On which device would you like to install Adobe Reader?
My laptop.
Please verify. Is this your business unit number? IT4516.
Yes.
I am checking for available licenses. If no license is available, I will initiate a workflow approval process that will send a request to your manager. I have found the software and I am currently installing Adobe Reader onto your laptop device. Please confirm that the software is installed on your laptop.
I can see that Adobe Reader is now installed on my computer.
If you have any further requests, we are always here to help.